Today I'm gonna show you how to shoot off-camera flash in 1 minute or less. The first thing you're gonna need is a camera. The second thing you're gonna need is a flash or a strobe. The third thing you're gonna need is a model.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your model wherever you wanna shoot. So the next thing you wanna do is expose for your background. I'm shooting at 2.8. So my ISO is at 100, exactly at the level that I want it. All right, now what you wanna do is introduce a flash to the model. Hi Carmen, this is Flash.
Hi, Flash.
Now that you got the flash where you want it positioned, either you want it to the left or to the right, that's kind of a choice that you make. Then now you're gonna take a shot with the flash. Don't worry about where the power is at. If it's too bright, you bring it down. If it's too dark, then you bring it up. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you kind of complicate off-camera flash. It's really not that hard. Once you get it in a level that you like, you like how the model's exposed and you like the background, that's it. It's just shoot, shoot, shoot until you get the money shot. Take it home, edit it, Lightroom, Photoshop, whatever it is you want to do. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, and we're good to go. And that's how you shoot off-camera flash in 1 minute or less.